Hello, friends. Alexius Varro here, ready to dive into another powerful lesson from the timeless wisdom of Stoic philosophy. Today, we'll be exploring a passage from Marcus Aurelius's Meditations, specifically from Chapter 4, Section 22. This lesson is titled Calm Your Impulses, and it's about cultivating a state of inner balance and control amidst the chaos of daily life. Think about the people in your life who always seem to be riding an emotional roller coaster. Their emotions swing wildly from one extreme to another. One day, everything is fantastic, and the next, it's a complete disaster. Dealing with such unbalanced behavior can be exhausting, right? Imagine if these individuals had a filter, a way to moderate their impulses and bring a sense of calm to their lives. Marcus Aurelius speaks directly to this challenge. Stay on course. In every impulse, display justice. In every impression, preserve the faculty of comprehension. This means that in every decision, we should act with fairness, and in every perception, ensure we understand clearly before reacting. By doing so, we won't be led astray by our immediate feelings or impulses. The key takeaway here is the need for a filter. This filter is made up of justice, reason, and philosophy. Consider how Marcus Aurelius, one of the most powerful emperors in history, practiced such mental discipline daily. His reflections offer us a glimpse into how he stayed grounded despite the immense pressures of his role. So, how can we apply this Stoic wisdom to our own lives? First, we must acknowledge that impulses, whether anger, fear, excitement, or anxiety, are a natural part of being human. But just because these feelings arise doesn't mean we should act on them immediately. When you feel an impulse, pause and consider, who is in control here? What principles guide me? This simple questioning helps you distance yourself from the immediate emotional reaction, allowing your rational mind to take command. You can think of it as commanding a dog to heel. The dog, representing your impulse, needs to be trained to follow your lead, not the other way around. Let's break this down into practical steps. The next time you face a challenging situation, try these methods. 1. Pause and breathe. Take a few deep breaths. This simple act can help clear your mind and give you the space to process your feelings. 2. Identify the impulse. What exactly are you feeling? Is it anger, fear, joy, or something else? Naming the emotion can make it easier to manage. 3. Ask yourself questions. Just like Marcus Aurelius, ask, is this action just? Does it align with my principles? What is the rational course of action? Respond thoughtfully. Based on your reflection, choose a response that aligns with justice and reason. This might mean speaking calmly instead of yelling, seeking more information before making a decision, or simply choosing to remain silent. This ongoing practice of questioning and thoughtful response, embedding justice and reason in our actions, allows us to maintain our equanimity even when external circumstances are turbulent. To bring this lesson closer to home, let me share a personal anecdote. There was a time when I had a project deadline looming, and a sudden technical glitch threw everything off track. My initial impulse was to panic and blame my team for not foreseeing the issue. But I paused and asked myself, what principles guide me here? I realized that reacting in anger wouldn't solve the problem. It would only add to the stress. Instead, I reached out to my team calmly, shared the situation, and together we found a solution. This approach not only resolved the issue, but also strengthened our collaboration. Friends, remember, life will always present challenges and impulses, but by cultivating a Stoic filter, grounded in justice, reason, and philosophy, you can remain balanced, resilient, and in control. If you enjoyed this exploration of Stoic wisdom and found it helpful, consider applying these principles in your daily life. And don't forget to share your experiences in the comments below. Together, we can build a community of modern Stoics who not only endure, but thrive amidst life's unpredictabilities. Thank you for watching, and stay tuned for more insights on thriving with Stoicism. Keep striving for inner calm and justice in all that you do. Until next time, stay resilient and purposeful.